We are here to share with you real proof of trading in 2024. We are in January 2024. How is trading like? And how is it going to be? What I'm going to share with you will tell you whether you should also start 2024 or not. Now, this is not to show off, but to encourage you and to motivate you to begin your journey in Forex trading in this year 2024. My name is Kofi, your admin for Leading Forex YouTube channel. Now, this is one of my real life accounts on DERIV. There are those who call it DERIV. So whether DERIV or DERIV, you can see my name there. If I go to the main menu to show you what I want to show you, you will see that this account has an account balance of $100. This is $103.54. This is the account balance on this account. But this week began on the 8th of January and we ended it on the 12th of January, which was Friday. So what was trading like? I want to share something with you. Take your time. This account, I always keep it at $100. So the whole of 8th to 13th January, today as I'm recording this video, what was trading like? If I go to the account history, let's go back and choose custom period so that we'll select from 8th to 13th. So when we go to the last menu, custom period, then we will choose Monday is 8th to 13th, which is today, Saturday, as I'm recording this video. So we need results or trade result for this period. Remember, this is MT5, and that is how come the interface is like this. When we go to the MT4, it will be a bit different. Now with MT5, this is how you can select to get trade history. So from 8th to 13th, which is Monday to today, Saturday, although today the market is closed, but Monday to today, Saturday, what has been the trading results on this very account? If I click on OK, you can see things for yourself. This account, since Monday 8th to today, Saturday 13th, has made profit of $447.71. And I have made a withdrawal of $432. There was a swap charge because some of the trades have to run into the next day. So in total, for the whole of this week, there was a swap fee of $12.46. They didn't charge me any commission, and that is what it is. So the balance you see here is the balance of the profit left. So remember, the balance you see at the bottom here is the balance of the profit that is left. That is $3.25. So if you add that to the $100, that is how come it's left with the 103. So this account started with $100. That is the real proof. It started with $100, and $100 in 5 days has given me $447.71. And I have made a withdrawal of $432. This is real profit for 1 week. In percentage, what will be the percentage for this? You should be able to decide. All right. This is account number 1. I want to share with you account number 2. So let me go to the home menu. Then we'll go to my second account, which is here. Also DERIV. This is also a live account. This is my second DERIV account. Okay, it's loading. Please be quick because my people want to see what you have for them. Okay. My network is a bit slow, but we will surely be in a moment. Come on, give us the entry. Give us the entry. Good. We are in now. All right. So this is the second account. Account number 2, the account balance is $406.73. This is the second account. How much profit did I make between 8th January to 13th today? Look at it. $506. So on the first account was 440 something. On this account, $506 was made. So on 2 accounts, I made closely almost $1,000. Now, look at this very well. If I go to the history for you to be sure that it's also, you can see it from 8th January to 13th, as you can see. So it's the same history on MT5. DERIV broker is only available on MT5. So that is why I'm showing this on MT5. Now, you can see that on the second account, I made a profit of $506. There was no deposit in it because I didn't put any money in the account. Withdrawal, I made only a withdrawal of $195. And then there was a swap fee of $9.83. No commission was charged. And then the balance of profit left is this. This is the balance of profit left on the account. So if you look at the balance of profit left on the account, which is $300 profit, then that will tell you how much was in this account. Okay? The balance of profit alone is left with $301. So $301, how much is there now? How much is there now is 406. So if 406 is in this account right now, and the profit that I made last week, there is a balance of 300. If you take that 300 out of the 400 to be left with 100, so it means that this account also was only $100. Does this make sense? Because if you go back to this part of the history, it tells you how much balance of the profit is left. How much balance of the profit is left in this account. I only withdrew 195 and it is left with 301. So if you add a 301 to the 195 that I did a withdrawal or I withdrew, you should get the total of profit, which is 506. So there is a balance of profit of $301 in the account, which I did not withdraw. And that is what makes up to the $400 that you are seeing over here. So 2 accounts, you have seen it. $500 with just $100 for a week. The second account, $400 plus with $100. And you see that one, the second account, I withdrew all the profit. But on this account, I didn't withdraw all the profit. Okay. Let me show you the third account. I have about 5 different accounts, but let me not bother you much. Let me show you the third account on MT4. So let me take you straight to the MT4 right now. This is the MT4. And this MT4 account is Xness. Okay, this one is Xness. It's also a real account. You can see Xness Real 2. You can see it. This is an Xness account and it's in my name. So this is also a real account. Now on Xness, as the next broker that I use, so you've seen the DERIV, you are now on Xness. How much did I make in profit? Let's go to the history and check. So we will go to the custom period. Then we will choose. You see that the MT4, how to select the history is a bit different from the MT5. So MT4 from custom period from, so we'll choose from 8th. So we'll go to 8th, from 8th January 2024 to, let's say, 13th January 2024. So this is the period that we want the history for. This is MT4. So we'll click done. And then this is it. This is the results. This is the results. So on this account, which is Xness, for the week, I made a profit of $170. And then there was a deposit of 44. So you will soon understand that deposit. And then I made a withdrawal of 100. And now the current balance left is 114. 114. Now the 114 includes the deposit. It includes the deposit. I did $100 withdrawal. So $100 from 170 is going to be left with 70. 70 plus the 44.32 will give you the balance that you see, the 114. So that is how come you are seeing a balance of 114. If there wasn't a deposit of 44, the balance would have been 70 as the remaining balance from the profit. But because I added 44, that is how come the balance is now 114. But if we go to the main account balance, you will see that the main account balance is 143. And if you look at this also, that will also tell you that this account was also $100 because there is a deposit of 44. Do you get it? There is a deposit of 44. So that deposit, if you take it out of this, it will be left with about $99, which is almost $100. So this account was also $100. Now, one will ask me that why do I have different trade results on different accounts if I am the same person that is managing all these three accounts? Yes, I am the same person managing these three accounts, but I have different trade results because this very one, if there was $100 in it, how come I made only $170? This is what it means. Each account has a trading plan. A trading plan is different from a trading strategy. A strategy is what you use to take the trades. And it is different from the plan. The plan is how much profit you are looking for. That is your plan. How much profit are you looking for on each account? That is the trading plan. So I have different trading plans that I have actually developed. And these trading plans, I have tagged them to each account. So I know that, okay, in a week, on account number 1, I am looking for maybe only $200 on account number 1. Account number 2, maybe I'm looking for only $300. And account number 3, maybe I'm looking for $500 at the end of the week. So since they all have different targets, the lot sizes I will use on each of them. And then the number of pips I will be targeting on each of the accounts will be different. They will not be the same. Because each account has its purpose and its targets or its plan. And that is how come you will see that the accounts have different trade results. And you will see that some of the accounts I have made a total withdrawal. Some I have made partial withdrawal. Because there is a plan in place which I am following. I am not just trading because I am trading. There is a plan. I have put down my plan, what I want and what I am looking for. And that is how come I am able to get different results from different accounts based on the plan. So maybe with this account, I can choose to use a lot size of 0.01, but maybe on account number 2, I may be using 0.05. And then maybe account number 3, I may be using 0.02 or 0.03. You get it? So based on the plan and the target that I'm looking for will determine how I approach the account. Now, 2024, this is just last week. Or this current week, not last week. This is for this current week. You are not too late to join the party. The good news is that whatever profit I am making on these accounts, I have a group of people that I share the same trades with, which they also make profit. And that is my VIP group, Leading Forex VIP group. This one. This VIP group has 138 people. And so every trade that I take on my live accounts, I give the same trade to my VIP members to trade and also make profit. The reason is because they have paid for the VIP services. They have paid for signals. And the subscription for the VIP signals is $100 for 12 good months. 12, 1, 2, 3, up to 12. 12 good months. You are to pay only $100 to be part of this group. And whatever signal I share or whatever trade I take on my accounts, I give the same trade in this group. And you see the TPs, how they are hitting. You see the TPs that are hitting. So from 8th is somewhere here. This is 9th. This is from 8th. So 8th started from somewhere here. 8th started here, which was on the Monday. You see the signals that I shared from 8th. If we begin to go down, you see them. You see them. You see them. Is that okay? So you are seeing them. I share these signals for the VIP members. Whatever trade I take, I give it to them. So the question is, what if you don't have the money to join the VIP group for now? Because it's just $100. There's no part payment. It's one-time payment, which is $100. No partial payment, no monthly payment. I don't have monthly subscription. It's a yearly subscription. But maybe you don't have the $100 now. What can you do? I have a free group. That one is a free group. This one here. This is my free group. In the free group, if you look, from January 8th, I only gave them one signal. From 9th, on the 9th, I gave this signal. So at least in the free group, you have one signal to take. And this one signal, if you took it, you made your profit. TP1, TP2 all got hit. So this is free of charge. So if you don't have the $100 to join the VIP, you can remain on this free group, and then you will be taking these signals, the free ones I give. Although you may not get them as many as you want, but at least you may get 1 or 2 for free. Use them on your live account, make some profit, give yourself 1 month. Maybe in a month time, you will make some profit that you can pay for the VIP group. Look at last week. I go back to last week, this was last week. Last week, I even gave more than one, right? Last week, see, this one was here. Right? See, I've been giving, all are hitting profit just like that. Look at them. All these are in the free group. All these signals I share are in the free group. But you may not get them as many as I give in the VIP group. But again, you are still getting some free signals here. Starting from where? Look at this. Let me go back. From January 2nd. Look at January 2nd from here. From January 2nd, if you look here, you see the number of signals I've shared from January 2nd. See how many signals? You would have gotten 1, 2, 3, so far 4. You would have gotten 4 signals from January 2nd to today 13th. 4 signals. So before the month ends, you would have made some monies, because within 2 weeks, you have gotten 4 signals. Assuming another 2 weeks, you are going to get an additional 4 signals. That will be 8 signals in all. And assuming my signals come with 2 different take profits, if you look, I always give TP1 and TP2. Sometimes the TP1 is 20 pips, and sometimes TP1 is 30 pips. TP2 is 40, and sometimes it's 50. So if you are the type that want quick profit, you want your trade to hit, you do not have time to be wasting the whole day, or maybe the market will even run into the next day, you can always target the TP1. Always. I always tell people in my VIP group that they should always target TP1. It is easy to get in the day. So if you target TP1, which is sometimes 20 or 30, if I go backwards, you will see that there were some trades. This one like this, you see that TP1 is 30. See it, TP1 is 30. So you would have gotten how many trades? 4 trades. And if each of them, your target was even TP1, Although all the TPs got hit, but let's assume that you only targeted TP1. You would have made 3, 4 is what? 12. That is 120 pips of profit within 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks, 120 pips of profit. Assuming the next 2 weeks to end January, you are going to make another 120 pips. That would have been 240 pips of profit for free. So once you gradually build yourself up like this, you will be able to afford the VIP group, where you will get more signals for just $100. So this is the plan. I am not being selfish. I try to help you to also get something out of the market. So if you are a new trader who doesn't have a strategy yet, who is not profitable yet, you can deposit your live account into your live account, okay? You can deposit into your live account and begin to enjoy this profit by taking only my trades or only my signals. Whilst you are still learning, trying to get your own strategy. Whenever I post a signal in my free group or in the VIP, if you are there, you can be using those one on your live account whilst you are still trading or trying to improve yourself by learning. So by the time it takes you time to learn, you would have made some profit along the line from your live account by taking these free signals or by being in my VIP group and getting the more signals. So this is a plan that I have adopted. This is what I have thought of, and I feel that you should be able to succeed this year. So choose what you want, whether you want to be in the free group. The free group is free. You don't pay anything to be part of it. But the VIP group, it's cost you $100. It will cost you $100 for 12 good months to be in the VIP, so that you can also enjoy these profits that are coming in this year 2024. This is 13th January 2024, and already we are seeing massive improvement. I don't want you to be left behind. So try and deposit something into your live account, maybe some $50 or maybe some $100, and say, hey, you are not going to put any trade on that account by yourself. You wait for signals from my free group or the VIP. That is what you will use to pick those trades on your live account, and see how the account will grow. So that before the first quarter of the year, before we enter into April, you will be able to see a headway in your life in Forex trading. I am here to help. In as much as some of you are paying for my services, I am also trying my best to see how best I can help for free. And these are some of the free helps that I'm offering. Take advantage of it. So if you want to be in my VIP group, you have to contact me privately. And if you want to be in the free group, on each of my videos, when you go to the description of my videos, the last link at the description of my videos is this Telegram channel's link. So when you go to the description of my videos, the last link you will see there is for this free channel. So you will see it written there, join my free Telegram channel. And then there is a link. You click on that link, it will bring you straight to this free channel. And then you are good to go. You are there. And then you begin to enjoy the signals as and when they come in the free group. But if you want to be part of the VIP group, which comes with a subscription of $100, you may have to get in touch with me first. And how do you get in touch with me? You can call me or you can WhatsApp me on this number. It's +233. That is my country code. I'm in Ghana. So +233 246 13 6609. So +233 246 136609. That is how you can get in touch with me to make payments for the VIP. Now, to make payment, you can do bank transfer. You can also send me money via cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and then USDT. If you also want to use mobile money remittances, you can use mobile money remittances. Those who want to use the tap send, those who want to use the world remittance and so many other platforms, especially those of you in the foreign countries, UK, US, you can use those ones. I think in my VIP, the people I have there are more of UK and US. I only have a few from Canada and some from Nigeria, South Africa. I mean, I have so many countries, but where the majority are those in the US and the UK, and then a few from Ghana here and stuff. So you can also be part of the VIP group no matter where you are. You can join it, and whenever I share the signals, you take advantage of it to make sure you make profit from the Forex market. It is not compulsory that you should try to learn everything by yourself and do it by yourself. Maybe it will take you a long time to get there. But once you are taking advantage of some of this free stuff, or by joining the VIP to take advantage of the signals there, it will help you to have that concentration to learn on your own and also build your own self until you gather the confidence to be able to do things on your own. So this is the surest way I think 2024 will give us some profit. So take advantage of it. And I'm sure by the close of next week, you should be able to start giving me results and also sharing your results with me to tell me how much you have made from the market. God be with all of us on Leading Forex. And God bless us. We are here and we'll continue to do the best we can to make sure we all succeed in the Forex market. God be with us all. Thank you for taking your time to watch. I know you have been blessed or you've gotten something from what I have shared with you. Thank you very much.